morning, everyone.
Today, we are going to become little scientists and engineers.
Look at this balloon. Do you think to make it move without water and fire?
How can a simple balloon to travel along the stream? Are we going to find out about the balloon rocket?
But first, we will show you what material we need and how to do it.
Let's go! Go!
Check out the materials. Plastic drinking straw. Thick parcel string, cotton twin. Scissors. An 1 meter ruler. Normal balloons. Lloyd tape roll 24 mm and 2 retort stands. Preparation. Set up 2 retort stands approximately 5 meters apart. Measure and cut a piece of parcel string approximately 6 to 8 meters long. Thread the string through a plastic drinking straw. Tie each end of the string securely to the 2 retort stands. Inflate the balloon, but do not tie the opening. Hold the neck of the balloon tightly so that air does not escape. Do not overinflate the balloon. Place the inflated balloon underneath or beside the straw. Use Lloyd tape to attach the body of the balloon securely to the straw. Make sure the balloon opening points backwards along the string. Check that the balloon does not touch the string of retort stand.
Now, what happened when you released the balloon? And which direction did the balloon move? When we release the balloon, it moves quickly along the string and moves forward along the string. In which direction did the air move? The air moved backward, away from the direction the balloon was traveling. Like Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And when we compare small balloons and large balloons, you can see the difference, where the large balloon moves to the end of the string, while the small balloon only moves to the middle. There are several factors that can affect how far the balloon travels. First, the amount of air inside the balloon, and the tension and smoothness of the string. We can see the same action and reaction principle in many real-life examples. For example, rockets move upward because gases are pushed downward. The balloon rocket is a simple model that helps us understand this important scientific principle. Thank you.